start. The importance of this accident information report by the police is that section 166 within bracket 4 mandates the claims tribunal to treat the accident information report as an application for compensation stop. However, the police was not following section 158 within bracket 6 of the Motor Vehicles Act, which was brought to the notice of the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of General Insurance Council versus State of Andhra Pradesh 2007 ACC 385 within bracket SC stop. Wide judgment dated 9th July 2007, the Honorable Supreme Court directed all the state governments and union territories to instruct all concerned police officers to comply with the requirements of Section 158 within bracket 6 of the Motor Vehicles Act. Read with Rule 150 and Form 54 of the Central Motor Vehicles Rules stop. It was further directed that periodical checking be done by the concerned Inspector General of Police to ensure that the requirements are being complied and appropriate action be taken in cases of non-compliance stop. The directions of the Honorable Supreme Court in the said judgment are reproduced stop passage. It is therefore directed that all the state governments and the union territories shall instruct, if not already done, all concerned police officers about the need to comply with the requirement of section 158 within bracket 6, keeping in view the requirement indicated in Rule 150 and in Form 54 stop. Periodical checking shall be done by the Inspector General of Police concerned to ensure that the requirements are being complied with stop. In case there is non-compliance, appropriate action shall be taken against the erring officers stop. The Department of Transport and Highway shall make periodical verification to ensure that action is being taken and in case of any deviation immediately bring the same to the notice of the concerned state government oblique union territories so that necessary action can be taken against the concerned officials stop. On 21st April 2009, this court issued notice to the Commissioner of Police to report whether the aforesaid directions of the Supreme Court regarding Section 158 within bracket 6 of the Motor Vehicles Act are being followed. Stop. The data with respect to the complaints for the last 22 months, that is from the date of the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, was also directed to be placed on record. Stop. The particulars of the periodical checking required to be done by the Commissioner of Police in terms of directions of the Honorable Supreme Court were also directed to be placed on record. Stop. If any action has been taken against any erring officer for non-compliance of Section 158 within bracket 6, the same was also directed to the place on record by an affidavit. Stop.